GB News presenter Eamonn Holmes has said convicted baby killer Lucy Letby forfeited her human rights when she murdered children as he discussed how she refused to appear in court for her sentencing today, Monday, August 21. The 33-year-old former neonatal nurse became only the fourth woman in UK history to be given a whole-life order after she was found guilty of murdering 7 babies and attempting to kill 6 more. Prior to her sentencing this afternoon, it was revealed she was refusing to show up for the hearing at Manchester Crown Court. Eamonn, 63, was chatting to investigations consultant Oliver Lawrence on Monday's GB News when he admitted he always thought convicted criminals had to be present for sentencing. Saying that it was a new trend for defendants to be allowed to miss their sentencing, he declared that it is something that should be really hit on the head and not tolerated. Heartbreaking note from Lucy Letby's parents years before murder spree unearthed co-host Isabel Webster, 40, then asked Oliver about the option for the police to use reasonable force to make criminals attend their sentencing. As a Western democracy, we have some level of human rights, which is important to remember as a fundamental. Reasonable force obviously has to be proportionate, Oliver explained. However, Eamonn insisted she had given up her human rights, saying that it goes out of the window for me. That wasn't reasonable for us in what she did in murdering those children. I think she's forfeited any rights, he stated. Letby's crimes were committed between 2015 and 2016 when she worked in the neonatal unit of the Countess of Chester Hospital. Don't miss. Furious Labour Party demands change to law so all criminals attend sentencing. Latest, the ordinary lives of Lucy Letby's parents, and how Mum tried to take the blame. Inside, Lucy Letby serving sentence alongside inmate who threatened to kill Rose West. Latest, passing sentence today, Mr. Justice James Ross told the court, "You acted in a way that was completely contrary to the normal human instincts of nurturing and caring for babies and in gross breach of the trust that all citizens place in those who work in the medical and caring professions. The babies you harmed were born prematurely and some were at risk of not surviving, but in each case you deliberately harmed them, intending to kill them. There was premeditation, calculation and cunning in your actions. The impact of your crimes has been immense. There was a malevolence bordering on sadism in your actions. During the course of this trial, you have coldly denied any responsibility for your wrongdoing. You have no remorse. There are no mitigating factors. Sentencing her to a whole life order for each offense, which means she will die in jail," he said. "You will spend the rest of your life in prison." Breakfast with Eamonn and Isabel airs on GB News on weekdays from 6 a.m.
Now